The B-21 Raider, the United States advanced stealth bomber, is being developed to gradually replace the B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit. However, the U.S. Air Force's B-21 Raider faces a critical challenge to operate effectively. Designed as a flying wing similar to the B-2, the B-21 Raider is smaller but incorporates advanced stealth technology. Reducing its radar signature, it is a versatile combat platform capable of carrying both nuclear and conventional weapons. Over the years, developers have planned to use the B-21 Raider as an airborne sensor hub, connecting drone groups, manned aircraft, and ground units, with long-range capabilities, aerial refueling, and the ability to carry a wide range of advanced weapons. The B-21 Raider is expected to become the backbone of America's strategic bomber force in the coming decades, ensuring military superiority in environments with advanced air defense systems, such as China and Russia. The U.S. Air Force plans to purchase at least 100 B-21 Raiders, with the potential to expand to 220 aircraft. Currently, only 20 B-2 Spirit bombers are operational. With such a large fleet of B-21 Raiders, a major challenge arises: aerial refueling. This requires modernized aerial refueling platforms to meet operational demands. What is the issue with the B-21 Raider? The U.S. Air Force currently relies on KC-46 tankers and plans to acquire 179 more. Additionally, the Air Force operates 396 KC-135 tankers. As of October 2024, the U.S. has a total of 606 aerial refueling aircraft, accounting for 75% of the world's total fleet. Meanwhile, China only has 8 aerial refueling aircraft, with very limited operational range, while Russia operates approximately 15 to 20 tankers. The KC-46 Pegasus is a next-generation aerial refueling aircraft developed by Boeing for the U.S. Air Force, designed to replace the aging KC-135 Stratotanker. Based on the Boeing 767 airframe, the KC-46 can refuel various fighter jets and bombers using both the boom system and the probe and drogue system. It can carry up to 96 tons of fuel while also transporting cargo, troops, or medical evacuation missions. Additionally, the KC-46 is equipped with advanced defensive systems, enhancing survivability in combat environments. Despite initial technical challenges, the KC-46 is expected to be the backbone of U.S. and Allied aerial refueling operations for decades to come. The strategic role of the B-21 Raider and its refueling challenges. The B-21 Raider reflects the U.S. Air Force's operational doctrine, the ability to strike anywhere, anytime in the world. To achieve this, a large fleet of aerial refueling tankers is required to sustain combat aircraft. However, refueling 100 stealth B-21 Raiders presents two major challenges. The B-21 has an extremely long range, which means it has large fuel tanks and requires significant amounts of fuel for extended missions. The B-21 is a stealth aircraft, but when refueling from a large tanker like the KC-46, it becomes visible to enemy radar. Additionally, fuel transfer rates pose a challenge to mission efficiency. The B-21 Raider is expected to use the boom refueling method, where a rigid, telescoping tube extends from the tanker to the receiving aircraft. This method allows for higher fuel transfer rates than the probe and drogue system used for smaller aircraft. The exact fuel capacity and weight of the B-21 remain classified, but its size is estimated to be about 2/3 that of a B-2A. A B-2A can carry up to 167,000 pounds of fuel. At a transfer rate of 1,200 gallons per minute, it would take approximately 17 minutes for a KC-46 to refuel 80% of a B-2A's fuel capacity. The cancellation of the next-generation air refueling system has further complicated operations in contested airspace. The KC-46's refueling rate may not be fast enough to sustain efficient operations in conflict zones, particularly in a war scenario. Addressing these issues now is crucial to maintaining the strategic effectiveness of the B-21 Raider, highlighting a critical gap in U.S. aerial refueling capabilities, despite the overall success of the B-21 program. Despite these challenges, there is good news. The B-21 Raider program is ahead of schedule and remains within budget.